Hello guys, welcome to Kosenchar, and I am right now at Sagar. So Sagar is a small village 5 km ahead from Gopeshwar, and this route on which right now I am walking goes to Chopta and leads to Ukhimat. So this is kind of a shortcut from Chamoli to Ukhimat. So right now I am starting a trek for Rudranath, which is one of the Panch Kedar, and so there are 5 Kedars, famously known as the Kedarnath is one, and then we have Tungnath, Madhmaheshwar, Kalpeshwar, Rudranath. So it's raining since morning, and we were waiting for the rain to stop so that we can start our trek. But however, it is not ready to stop. The rain is not ready to stop. So we thought that let's start the trek in the rain. So this is the ramp we need to take. There are a couple of more routes for the Rudranath trek. So one starts from some 11 km ahead of the Sagar, which is the village known as Mandal. There is 2 more temples which comes on the way, and then there is a Rishi known as Atri Rishi, and his cave is there on the route to the Rudranath if you start the trek from Mandal. However, we chose to start from Sagar as this route is a bit more scenic. There is an interesting story about this village, is that this village is a village of one of the ancestor of Sri Ram of Ramayana, the 8th generation of Raja Harishchandra, Raja Sagar. So this is basically the King Sagar's place, and therefore this village name is Sagar. ऊपर के लिए रुद्रनाथ इधर या इधर? नहीं, वो मेरे दोस्त लोग उधर से कुछ जा रहे हैं, तो यहाँ से जाएंगे तो मिल जाएगा. So there are multiple trails, I would say. There are multiple trails. This was Izhar, and this is Tadkanka, and they both left me, went ahead. No, people told me that the route is from ahead, and I have seen 2 people also.
हम भी तो 2 लोग थे.
भाग के आया हूँ मैं. This whole trail is passing through a village, and all these lands are basically villagemen's farmland, and the ladies of the villages are getting the fodder for their cattle. ये गाय को खिलाएंगे ना? Life in the mountain is really tough, and no doubt the people here are not getting very serious diseases, because first thing is that the physical activity which they are into are like immense. And to imagine such kinds of lifestyle for the people who live in the plain is a really nightmare. One of the best things which I like in the trek is, talking to the local peoples, knowing them, knowing their culture, especially eating the local foods. Wow, like this is just simply amazing. I don't like getting wet much, but for this view, every time I come to the monsoon trek, only just for this view. कितना वजन होता है आपका ये? हाँ,
पता नहीं कितना है,
फिर भी 12-15 किलो तो होगा. ज्यादा ही होगा. हाँ, आप ऊपर देखिए, आपका घर ऊपर है? ऊपर है आपका घर? अच्छा, गौशाला ऊपर है. ओह माय गॉड. नमस्ते राजी जी. नमस्ते. इस प्लेस इज सगर चंद्रकोटी.
चंद्रकोटी रहने का है, खाने का है, नाश्ते का है, सब चीज की व्यवस्था है अंदर.
ओके
जी.
तो किसी को चाहिए तो सदर से स्टार्ट करके शाम को आके यहाँ रुक सकता है.
नीचे से भी अगर नीचे रहने के बजाय ऊपर भी आ सकता है, क्योंकि आधा रास्ता कट जाएगा. बिल्कुल सही बात है. अब नीचे लोग बेड में हमेशा सो रहे, कम से कम कभी जमीन में सोना चाहिए. अंदर बिस्तर गए जमीन में,
वो दिख रहा है, वो साइड दिख रहा है. कितना लेते हैं आप रहने का यहाँ पे?
200 रुपए लेते हैं।
200 रुपए एक आदमी का
खाना खा के।
खाना खा के?
हाँ, खाना भी उसी में।
सही है, पता ही नहीं था, नहीं तो हम भी ऊपर ही आ जाते। आई वुड सजेस्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ staying at Sagar down, just climb this hill to this place and stay here, and next morning we can start, and there is a proper washroom facility here also. Hey Kanka, you also come here. कैसा लग रहा है मानसून ट्रैक? How many 2 years after we have done monsoon trek, right? We have climbed from road is not visible from here, but somewhere उसके वहाँ पे नीचे रोड है, right? हाँ, ये ट्रेल दिख रहा है। It's raining right now, but ट्रेकिंग का असली मजा आ रहा है। जूते में मेरे हल्का हल्का पानी घुस चुका है। So we have reached Pung Bugyal, and this is almost 4.5 kilometers from Sagar. For Panar, we need to climb that mountain. The good part is that the trail is well marked. However, it's completely into the jungle, and the rain is making this trail full of flowing water. It's kind of walking in a small, which is waterfall, multiple waterfalls, and at the top there, from the Pung Bugyal, it was visible. There are multiple waterfalls. The trail is continuously climbing up, and somewhere above there we need to climb up. The battery is very low. कौन सी जगह बताया था आपने?
ये है लूटी बुग्याल।
So लूटी बुग्याल। So हम लोग को यहाँ पे आते 7 बज गया था लूटी बुग्याल में। ये दूसरा ढाबा है पुन बुग्याल के बाद। काफ़ी लेट हो गया था हम लोग को आने में, 7 बज गया था, अंधेरा हो गया था और काफ़ी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी, ठंड भी बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ गई थी, सारे कपड़े गीले हो गए, बहुत ही कपड़े सारे ऐसे सुखाए जा रहे हैं।